People switch between workspaces in Slack for different reasons. Some people manage multiple companies or organizations. Others use separate workspaces for personal communication, business discussions, clients, projects, or different teams. Switching between workspaces also helps keep conversations organized and gives you access to workspace-specific channels, files, and messages. Now let's see how to switch between workspaces. Right now, I am inside my Dojo Techie workspace on the Slack dashboard. To move to another workspace, I need to click this icon on the extreme left side of the screen. As soon as I click it, a drop-down menu appears. Here, we can see the workspace that I am currently using, along with the other workspaces connected to this Slack account. Now, to enter a different workspace, I simply need to click on the workspace that I want to open. And that's it. Now I am inside the selected workspace. Similarly, if I want to go back to my previous workspace or switch to any other workspace, I just need to click the workspace icon again and select the workspace I want. This makes it easy to move between different teams and stay organized while using Slack. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.